Hello students, in the last video I discussed about linear equation and learn how to solve a linear equation. In today's video we will discuss about a special form which is called Bernoulli's equation and discuss how to solve such type of equation. The equation dy dx plus py equals to qy to the power n, in which p and q are the functions of x alone or constant, is known as Bernoulli's equation. Okay, so this equation may be brought into linear equation by some substitution. So write the equation as y to the power minus n dy dx plus p into y to the power 1 minus n equals to q. We divide both sides by y to the power n. Now let z equals to y to the power 1 minus n. So dz dx will be 1 minus n y to the power 1 minus n minus 1 dy dx. Okay, this can be written as 1 minus n y to the power minus n dy dx. Okay, now putting these values in the equation number 2, we get 1 by 1 minus n into dz dx plus p into z equals to q. Okay, this can be written as dz dx plus p into this 1 minus n will be multiplied by both terms. So 1 minus n z equals to q into 1 minus n. Okay, so the Bernoulli equation is converted into linear equation, and we already know how to solve a linear equation. So let us consider some examples. Number 1 example, solve x dy dx minus y equals to xy square. First divide both sides by x, we get dy dx minus 1 by x into y equals to y square. Okay, so look carefully, this is the Bernoulli equation. Dy dx plus p into y equals to q into y to the power n. Okay, now what we can do, we divide both sides by y square, so we get 1 by y square dy dx minus 1 by x into 1 by y equals to 1. Okay, uh, mark it as 1. Okay, and now let we take this 1 by y as z. 1 by y equals to z. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get dz dx equals to minus 1 by y square into dy dx. Okay, so putting these values in 1, we get this is 1 by y square dy dx means minus dz dx minus y minus 1 by x into 1 by y means minus 1 by x into z means 1 by y. So this is z equals to 1. Okay, equals to 1. Now we get dz dx plus z by x equals to minus 1. So this is the linear equation. Hence the integrating factor will be e to the power integration 1 by x dx. So e to the power integration 1 by x means 1 by x dx means log x. So e to the power log x means x. So x is the integrating factor. So the general solution is, we already know how to compute the general solution. First, z into integrating factor equals to integration over q into integrating factor dx plus c. So z into integrating factor means x equals to integration q means minus 1. So minus 1 into integrating factor means x dx plus c, where c is an arbitrary constant. Okay, now the value of z will be 1 by y into x equals to minus x dx. Integration minus x dx means minus x square by 2 plus c. Okay, so now just we simplify this form and we get 2x plus x square y equals to 2cy. So this is the general solution of the equation. Okay, so consider next example, solve 2xy dy dx equals to x square plus y square. Okay, so divide both sides by 2xy. Okay, so dy dx minus y by 2x equals to x by 2y. This is the Bernoulli equation. Okay, now first we multiply both side by this y, so we get y into dy dx minus 1 by 2x into y square equals to x by 2. Okay, now we take y square equals to z, we differentiate both side by x, we get 2y dy dx equals to dz dx. Now we now put the values of this in equation 1, we get 1 by 2 into dz dx minus 1 by 2x into z equals to x by 2. Okay, so we cancel the 2 in both side, so we get dz dx minus 1 by xz equals to x. So this is the linear equation. So what is the integrating factor? Integrating factor is e to the power integration minus 1 by x dx. So e to the power minus integration 1 by x means e to the power minus log x. So this can be written as e to the power log of 1 by x. So this is 1 by x. So this is the integrating factor. Now the general solution is z into integrating factor equals to q into integrating factor into dx plus c, where c is any arbitrary constant. So the value of z is y square, so y square into 1 by x equals to x plus c. This x cancel, so integration 1 dx means x plus c. So just we simplify both side, we get y square equals to x square plus cx. Okay, so thank you.